Teaching Through Technology in Wrangell. Students learn how to fly drones commercially, working in teams. 6 students from the T3 Alliance Club in Wrangell partnered with U.S. Forest Service to use drones to check out the condition of trails in cabins maintained by the Tongass National Forest. The students created promotional videos and 360 trail photos that they uploaded to Google Maps. The purpose of this project was to share the Tongass with folks who don't know about it, as well as report on the trail maintenance. The photos and videos document current conditions. Students presented their final work on August 8, 2022 in person as the first year of a 2-year project. The students are continuing to plan for next summer, learning from some of their mistakes and successes this year. Growth mindset is integrated to T3 Alliance Club, where students acknowledge that failure is necessary to learn and grow.